Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd?
The shaped bags are very popular and hot selling. The special shaped bags are our top star products. We can customize bags in any shape, such as the shape of your brand logo. Shaped pouches are named according to their main feature, which is the shape. They have irregular shapes compared to the normal pouches. Nowadays, brands turn to unique shapes for their packaging to attract consumers and promote a brand identity to accomplish the function of the package better. Shaped pouches can have different shapes. Such packaging bags are not only more convenient but also more catering to the curiosity of consumers. For example, some special shaped bags of jelly will be designed in the shape of a small school bag, which will make children like them more and attract more consumers.
We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.